Hi, I'm Krista, and I'm one of your instructors. So something interesting about me that most people don't know is that my eyes change color with my mood. If I could be any fictional character, right now I'd want to be Percy Jackson. Why do I admire Seaweed Brain so much? Well, he's laid back, and he's smart, he's funny, he's a good friend, and he's got Riptide in his pocket, plus a close connection to the ocean. And I love the ocean. If I could go anywhere in the world right now, I'd want to go to Napoli, Italy. Why Napoli, Italy? It's considered to be the birthplace of pizza, and I love pizza. In fact, making homemade pizza is one of my favorite things to do. I love making a thin crust pizza with gooey mozzarella cheese, some fresh tomatoes, and a handful of basil. Well, I'm looking forward to meeting you, and I can't wait to see you on June 22nd. Bye.